Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money just by uploading pictures on this website. I'm going to show you today just by uploading pictures on this website. But firstly, before we continue, please go over to my channel and subscribe to my channels, so whenever I drop a new video like this you won't miss it. All right, please subscribe to this bell button so whenever I drop a new video you will not miss it. So let's go over to my browser. Yeah, all right, so you have to wait. So you don't need to just jump in and stop watching the video after I review this website for you. If I review the website for you, you make sure you stay and see the step by step how me to also upload picture on this website so that you too will be able to do it. So first of all, go to shutterstock.com, shutterstock, shutterstock.com slash contributor, contributor. So now I'm on the landing page, and you can see they say share your work and start earning. Join Shooter community of contributor and earn money doing what you love. All you can be doing here, you can either upload picture or submit file, also refer people, and you will be earning from this site. All you have to do is to click get started. So right now you're going to put your full name here, the name you want to display on this website, you put it here. You can also put your name or your full name in there also. Then here you put your email, your password. Then you click here. I'm above 18, sorry. After that you have to click next, which will display a verified page for you. Then you have to check your email and verify. So now I'm going to log into my own account so that you see. So right now I'm on my own account. You can see this is my own account. This is my own new account I just created now. Please, it will be showing your data, what you have already uploaded, the number of people that have downloaded your image. You see any here. So I know the next question now is that where will you get the image for you to upload on this website? So the image or file or video, there's easy place for you to get your image. Firstly, if you're looking for your image, just go to this website. This website I'm going to show you now. So search for pz.com. Pizza. So you don't just upload any picture, because any picture that you upload from here, they are legal, they will approve it. Pizza. So I'm on pizza now. All I have to touch or click here. So you think which of the image will be best for people who will be searching for this time around? You're searching this video now, you know that Christmas time is close by, so that one is one of the thing. So you can upload something like that, like Christmas pictures. People, those are the kind of picture people will be looking for from next month now. Those are the kind of picture people will be looking for. So you have to go here like this and search for, you can search for anything. Sure. Christmas, then you hit search. So right now you can see a lot of image. Just download as much as possible. If possible, just download like 20 image. Just download like 20 image so that they will be able to approve you fast. So just download any image like this. So me, I'm going to download this one. So right now I've already downloaded my image now, so I'll just go over to my browser. So click here now. So click here now. Yeah. So long press it now. Long press. Then you click long press to do that for all your picture. So to fill this now photo, commercial use, so you choose usage. Then you write description. So you see now I've already uploaded my image. So what is now is pending for them to review it. But they said I should upload three more. So you two you should upload like 10 to 15 upload image so that they will be able to review fast. All right, see you in the other time.